Namaste, all of you are welcome to today's IT class. Last class we have learned about TouchPaint. It is an application software. It is used to draw and color the images with animation and effects. And also we have learned about two tools in TouchPaint. One is paint tool and another one is new tool. The paint tool is used to draw pictures and the new tool is used to take a new drawing canvas. Today we are going to discuss some other tools in TouchPaint. Okay. First tool is stamp tool. Look here the top of the tool area. This is stamp tool. The use of stamp tool is the stamp tool containing many stickers. Look here, this is the sticker of a house. Look at the right side, there are so many stickers. Okay, the stamp tool containing many stickers. This is the sticker of tree. Okay, this is the sticker of an umbrella. Okay, press the arrow, we can get many more stickers. Okay, the stamp tool is used to take the stickers. Okay, all of you understand what is the use of stamp tool? The stamp tool containing many stickers. When we press the arrow, we get so many stickers. Okay, stickers of trees, stickers of animals, stickers of birds, stickers of fruits, etc. We get so many stickers from stamp tool. Okay, look here, the bottom of the screen, there is a volume symbol. The volume symbol is used to increase or decrease the size of the sticker. Okay, all of you understand what is the use of volume symbol? Look here, the bottom of the selector. The volume symbol is used to increase or decrease the size of the sticker. Okay, when we select a sticker, then increase or decrease the size by using volume symbol. Okay, all of you understand what is the use of volume symbol? It is used to increase or decrease the size of a sticker. Okay, what is the use of stamp tool? The stamp tool used to take many stickers. Okay, all of you understand. Then how we take a new page? By clicking the new tool, we can take the new drawing canvas. Okay. Then next one is line tool. Look here. The line tool is used to draw the line. Okay, all of you understand what is the use of line tool? The line tool is used to draw the line. We can select brush size from the selectors. Here so many size. We can select the size with our use. Then draw the line. Okay, select the different colors from the color plates. Okay, what is the use of line tool? The line tool is used to draw a straight line or slanting line. Okay, all of you understand what is the use of line tool? The line tool is used to draw the straight line or slanting line. We can change the color. Look here, so many brushes, so many different brushes. Okay. Then how we open a new page? By pressing the new tool, we get the new page. Okay, save it. Then another one is shape tool. The use of shapes tool is it is used to draw different shapes. Look here, the right side of the screen, there is so many shapes. Square, rectangle, circle, ellipse, triangle, pentagon, rhombus, octopus. Okay, so many different shapes. If we want to draw a square, select the square, then draw it. There are two different type of shapes. One is fill with the color, fill without color. Look near to square. This is square with fill color. Okay, we can draw many shapes from shapes tool. Okay, all of you understand what is the use of shapes tool? The shapes tool is used to draw different shapes. Okay, we can choose the color from color plate. This is circle. Then this is circle with the fill color. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, then another tool is eraser. Look here, eraser tool. The use of eraser tool is it is used to rub the pictures. Okay, it acts as real eraser. Okay, what is the use of eraser tool? It is used to erase the images. Okay, rub the images. Okay, all of you understand. In this class, we have learned about stamp tool, line tool, then eraser tool and the shapes tool. The stamp tool containing many stickers. Look here, this is the stickers of fruits. We can increase or decrease the size of sticker from volume option. Okay, this is the sticker of apple. Then press the forward arrow. We can get many stickers. This is the sticker of violin. Then this is the stickers of letters. Okay, we can select many stickers from stamp tool. The stamp tool containing many stickers. Okay, next one is line tool. The line tool is used to draw the straight line or slanting line. Okay, the line tool is used to draw straight or slanting line. We can choose the brush size from selectors. Then another one is shapes tool. The shapes tool is used to draw different shapes. Okay. Another one is eraser tool. It is used to rub the pictures. Erase the images. The eraser tool is used to erase the images. Okay. I think that all of you understand very well. If you have any doubt, contact me. Namaste.